Welcome friends to my channel. Today we have a special guest on the table, a famous cake that has won the hearts of many generations. It's not just any cake, it's a real family recipe passed down from my grandmother. Quick, easy and incredibly delicious, it has won the hearts of everyone who has tried it. And believe me, even the most demanding gourmets will not be able to resist it. Products we need to prepare custard: 1 egg, 50 grams of sugar, 10 grams of vanilla sugar or essence, 15 grams of cornstarch. In a thick-bottomed saucepan, break the egg, add the sugar, or vanilla essence, cornstarch and mix everything thoroughly with a whisk. Pour in 250 milliliters of milk and whisk again. Place over medium heat and cook, stirring constantly until thickened. When the cream begins to bubble, it is ready. Transfer to a bowl, cover with transparent film to prevent film formation, and allow to come to room temperature. Now let's prepare the pastry. You will need 2 eggs, 100 grams of sugar, 1 pinch of salt, 100 milliliters of milk, 50 milliliters vegetable oil, 170 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 50 grams almond flour, 30 grams coconut flakes. Beat the eggs, add sugar, a pinch of salt and beat until fluffy 3 to 4 minutes. Add 100 milliliters of milk. Beat again and add 50 milliliters of sunflower oil and beat again. I sipped 170 grams of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 50 grams of almond flour and mix with a silicone spatula, and then mix with a mixer not long enough to combine all the ingredients. This is what the dough should look like. I pour it into a previously prepared baking tin, cut the baking paper to fit the tin. I used a 24 centimeter diameter pan, but you can use a square pan or a small baking sheet. I level it with a spatula and sprinkle powdered sugar. We take previously prepared our cream, mix well and transfer to a pastry bag and put on the surface of the grid dot and send preheated oven to 170 degrees for 40 minutes. Our cake is ready. Remove the pan, paper, leave to cool and sprinkle with powdered sugar. Cut into portions. Thank you for letting me share this great recipe with you. I hope you enjoyed the video and want to make this cake. If so, don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can try this delicious pyro. Remember that your support is important to me, so feel free to leave a comment below the video and subscribe to the channel for even more inspiration and recipes. See you all again in my culinary kitchen. Have fun and see you soon.